Oh! You fucking took his head off. Did you try to take that bird?
Yeah. Okay, no. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yep. I'm gonna drink before we do this. Look.
That's a good idea.
Now I've had my Mountain Dew sports drink break. I'm ready for action.
Our fucking kidneys. Yes. You did not have that before.
Well, it just means we're gonna be able to attach a flashlight to it. Or a red dot.
So there's the boats over to our right.
You wanna go down and get them? I think
No, we already got them.
pajamas are there.
Let's just go. Keep going. I don't need pajamas yet. Hello.
We're going down here.
Yep.
God, that makes my fucking every bone in my body shrink. I hate that.
Must be in the water.
I went straight down.
Oh shit.
Just before we get started.
Well, that might be enough. Right, YOLO.
What? Be careful. Back off.
Oh,
You
shit.
just fell from the ceiling.
Yep. What, shock ammo?
Yeah. Now they're throwing together. Blow up.
Nice. Oh, fuck.
Oh, it died before it hit me.
Yeah, did you? I saw it like it was midair. Holy shit. Make sure to record that.
Yellow babies. You are fucking dominating these babies.
I need to put on some more armor.